Okay, okay, guys, this is my UK sim. I just ordered for the sim. As you can see, it's new, very new. This is it. This is 3G network. This is it. As you can see, the sim is still new. I'll have to bring out the sim and install it to my phone. This is it. Have you seen? So I'll have to install it so you can see. So guys, this is the sim, very small. I'll have to install it to my phone. Have you seen? Is it? So let me install it to my phone now. I'm going to install the sim. This is the sim. Okay, I've installed the sim now. Let's see what is going to come up. Let me turn it on. It was on flight mode. Yeah, hello guys, thank you for watching this video to this instance. Okay, this is Legit Hustle. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. If you know you are getting more updates, you know you are getting knowledge from this update, make sure you like and subscribe so that you'll be updated whenever we drop a video like this. You can see I've already turned it up. Let's wait and see what is going to happen. Guys, can you see? See, SIM card change. Restart your phone to start using your new SIM card. Have you seen it? It has already indicated a network here. You can see this is the network here. You can see this arrow. You can see this arrow here. That is the network. So they say we should restart our phone. We have to restart our phone. Okay guys, we are back. So you can see this is the network here. We already have a network here. You can see it's a new service provider. This is it. Let's check. New service provider. To use your new service provider app and setting, you need to factory set your phone. All of your users' data will be deleted and some service may no longer be available. Just click OK. So let's see. This is the message we got. You say, hi dear, welcome to Trade. Using your SIM, you are agreeing to pay blah 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 blah. And guys, see, this is it. This is our mobile UK number that they just gave us. This is the UK number. Have you seen? This is the UK number. So I can use this number now to sign up, to create a paper account. I can use this number now to perform surveys online. I can use this number to open WhatsApp and everything. So this is exactly how you get your UK number. Instead of you to spend money every day or every month buying virtual number where you'll be paying 10,000 naira every month. So why don't you just get this SIM? Just get this SIM and just pay once, and that is everything that you have to do. So I'll be dropping a link below the description of this video. If you're interested, you want to get this, and also I'll be holding a free online class, and both free and paid class, where I'll be showing you guys some sites where I normally perform surveys from UK. I'll also show you guys how to open a PayPal account. I'll also show you how you'll be able to get this SIM. So if you know you're interested, you want to get a UK SIM so you can use for your online business, then you just have to comment and send me a DM. I am Mr. Legit. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thanks so much. Hope to see you guys.